I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the goal. Now pull a focus sample and begin exploring. First, connect to the source with proper credentials and fetch a 110% sample so queries run fast. Once done, check column types and missing rates. Make quick fixes like casting or trimming strings. Make sure to document the sample query and store a sample file. This gets you actionable data immediately, avoiding endless setup and letting you iterate on real values right away. You now clean and shape the data to reveal patterns. Start by standardizing types and imputing or flagging nulls. Then derive features that answer your metric. For example, create ratio fields, time buckets, and categorical encodings. Once that's done, run exploratory queries and visualizations to validate assumptions and spot anomalies. Make sure to iterate. Adjust transformations when plots or correlations contradict expectations. This middle phase is where hypotheses form and analytical signals emerge, so be deliberate and repeatable. You finalize by choosing the right delivery: a dashboard for monitoring, a statistical test for significance, or a predictive model for forecasts. Train or compute results on the full dataset, validate with holdouts or cross-validation, and package findings into clear visuals and an annotated notebook. Once done, publish results and include reproducible queries and data version tags. If things go wrong, focus troubleshooting on sample bias, permission errors, or unexpected nulls. Recheck upstream joins and rerun the pipeline with logging enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.